Tēnā koutou katoa. My name is Wetini Mitai-Ngatai. I'm a businessman, father, and also the leader of Te Mātārae Ōrehu. The only way you can get through this is to be physically right, mentally right, spiritually right. You got to be disciplined, you got to make sacrifices, you got to look after each other on and off stage.
Kia kaha, lady.
We all train hard, but at the end of the day we want to celebrate. But it's not about getting on the pitch. It's about celebrating who we are as a people and about being proud about our tupuna. You know, at the end of the day, it's us as role models. And so to let yourself go is not the look. And I've been down there, so, you know, yes, we can celebrate, enjoy yourself, but come out with your mana intact. Nō reira kia mau ki tō mana, tō ihi, Taihoa, te inu waipiro.